Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Fix Everythings. Today I'll show you how to refill a Canon Cartridge 519 used in the Canon LBP6600 series. This printer has been sitting unused for a long time, and the toner cartridge is producing heavy black smudges on every print. In this video, I'll refill the cartridge, inspect all the internal components, and replace any worn or damaged parts if necessary. By the end of this repair, the printer should be printing clean, sharp pages again. Let's get started. First, remove the toner cartridge from the printer. Take a quick look at the print quality before disassembling the cartridge. As you can see, the pages are covered with black smudges. Let's take the cartridge apart and find the cause. Next, remove both hinge pins and separate the toner hopper from the drum unit. Place all the small parts in a safe place so they won't get lost. Now, let's inspect all the important components. Check the OPC drum for scratches or wear. Inspect the primary charge roller. Examine the doctor blade and the wiper blade for damage. Any worn components should be replaced to restore print quality. One more thing I'd like to mention, if you're using a compatible universal cartridge, this same rebuild process also applies to HPC 50505A and HPC F80A80A cartridges, since they share the same cartridge design. If you're working with a brand new or unrefilled cartridge, the sealing cap can be quite tight. In that case, use a flathead screwdriver and gently, but firmly pry it open. Apply steady pressure, and the cap will pop off. In my case, this cartridge has been refilled before, so the cover comes off much easier. Before refilling the cartridge, I will remove all the old toner inside the hopper. Since this cartridge has been sitting unused for a long time, the remaining toner inside may be clumped or contaminated. I will use a toner vacuum to clean out the entire chamber completely before adding new toner. This helps ensure stable print quality and prevents defects like background shading or streaks. After inspecting the cartridge, I found that the magnetic roller is heavily worn and has deep scoring marks. The doctor blade has also become hardened after the printer sat unused for a long time, so it can no longer control the toner properly. To restore the print quality, I'll replace both the magnetic roller and the doctor blade. This is an original Canon toner cartridge. From the factory, there's a thin foam seal underneath the doctor blade to prevent toner from leaking. When installing a new doctor blade, I'll replace that seal with a new foam strip to keep the toner securely inside the cartridge. If you don't have a replacement foam strip, you can use a piece of double-sided tape as a temporary solution. It works well to help prevent toner leaks. The Canon Cartridge 519 has a large toner hopper, so I'll refill it with 2 bottles of toner. If you're refilling a Canon Cartridge 319, you'll only need 1 bottle because its toner hopper is smaller. Be careful not to overfill the cartridge, as too much toner can lead to print quality issues or toner leakage. Now, I'll install the new magnetic roller. Make sure it's seated properly and rotates smoothly before reassembling the cartridge. Now, rotate the magnetic roller. If the toner is evenly distributed across the roller like this, everything looks good and the cartridge is ready for reassembly. Next, let's inspect the drum unit. As you can see, the OPC drum is worn and has reached the end of its service life. The wiper blade has also become hard over time, so it can no longer clean the drum surface properly. This causes excess toner to remain on the drum, leading to black smudges and poor print quality. To fix the problem, I'll replace both the OPC drum and the wiper blade. I'll also empty the waste toner chamber and clean it thoroughly before reassembling the cartridge. Before installing the new wiper blade, apply a thin layer of lubricating powder to the rubber edge. If you don't have lubricating powder, you can lightly coat the edge with toner instead. This lubrication allows the wiper blade to slide smoothly against the OPC drum during the first few rotations. Now, clean the primary charge roller using a soft, lint-free cloth lightly dampened with isopropyl alcohol. Wipe the roller gently until the entire surface is clean. Make sure the roller is completely dry before reinstalling it. Before installing the OPC drum, it's a good idea to apply a light coating of lubricating powder to the drum surface. This helps reduce friction during the first few rotations and allows the drum and wiper blade to work smoothly together. As you can see, the print quality is clean, sharp, and free of black smudges. The cartridge is now working like new again. After printing a few more test pages, you'll notice that the image is repeating down the page. This type of print defect is usually caused by a worn fuser film sleeve, not the toner cartridge. In the next video, I'll show you how to replace the fuser film step by step and completely eliminate this problem. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss it. And that's it. We've successfully rebuilt and refilled this Canon Cartridge 519. The cartridge is now producing clean, sharp prints and is ready for many more pages. I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Tech Fix Everything's, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest printer repair tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.